Morning dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 4, determinants, exercise 4.5, question number 8. In question number 8 we have to find the inverse of given matrix. Okay, so for finding inverse, first of all we have to check determinant of A is 0 or non-zero. Okay, if determinant of given matrix is 0, then inverse does not exist. Okay, so first of all we have to check determinant of A. Now see, so we have to solve by taking first row, because in first row there are two zeros are present, so we have to solve easily. Okay, so one, we have to take first, we have to remove first row and first column. So 1 bracket minus 3 minus 0, so it will be minus 3. So here determinant of A is non-zero, so A inverse must exist. Okay, now is it clear? Now we have to find adjoint of A. So for finding adjoint of A, we have to find out cofactors of all elements. Okay, here there are 3 in row and 3 in column, so 3 is a 9 elements. So we have to find out the cofactors of all elements. Okay, so first of all we have to find out capital A11. Whatever we have to find cofactor, so its respective row and column we have to remove. Suppose we have to find out cofactor of A11, so we have to remove first row and first column. So remaining elements is 3 0 2 minus 1, so it gives minus 3, and minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 we have to multiply it. Okay, because the formula of Aij is, now see, minus 1 raised to I plus j into m11, sorry, mij. Is it clear? So we have to follow this formula and find cofactors. Is it clear? So first A11 is minus 3. Now second we have to find out A12, so we have to remove first row second column, first row second column. Is it clear? So same thing, 3 ones are minus 3 plus 0, so minus 3, and a minus 1 raised to 3 gives minus 1, so minus minus plus 3, so A12 gives 3. Now see, third one we have to find out A13. So in A13 we have to remove first row third column, so 3 2s are 6 minus 6 minus 5 3s are 15, so it will be minus 9. Is it clear? And minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to 4 will be positive, so minus 9. A13 gives minus 9. Next, capital A21. Okay, it is a cofactors of elements is denoted by capital letter. Is it clear? So capital A21, so we have to remove second row first column, so it will be 0. Now see, 0 into 0, so no need to write 0. Okay, directly we can write 0. Next, A22, so we have to remove 4 because the value of I and the value of j is 2 so I raised to, sorry, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, so minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1. And now we have to multiply 1 ones are minus 1 plus 0, so it will be minus 1. Next we have to find out A23, so we have to remove second row third column, so minus 1 raised to 5 into 2 ones are 2 minus 0, so minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1, and minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Is it clear? Now next we have to find out capital A31. Now see, so we have to remove third row first column, and minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, because 3 plus 1 4, so it will be positive, and minus 1 raised to plus 1 will be 1, and the value of determinant is 0, so answer is 0. Next, A32. Okay, so we have to remove third row second column, so again the value of A32 is 0 because 1 0 0 0 and 3 zeros are 0. Next and last we have to find out A33, so we have to remove third row third column, so remaining elements is 1 0 3 3, and we have to find value of this determinant is 3 ones are 3 minus 0, so it will be 3. So 3 into minus 1 raised to 6, minus 1 raised to 6 will be positive, so answer is 3. Now we have to put the value of all cofactors in adjoint of A. Now see, so adjoint of A is equals to capital A11, capital A21, we have to write in column wise. Okay, row to column we have to convert in transpose form. Okay, already we have to study in chapter number 3 matrix how to find transpose of matrix. Okay, so we have to write in transpose form. So A11, capital A12, A13, A22, A22, A23, and A31, A32, A33. Now put the value of all cofactors in this formula, so it gives adjoint of A. And last we have to use formula of A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So now see, so final answer is 1 upon minus 3, because determinant of A is equals to minus 3. Already we have to find out, okay, and put the value of adjoint of A is minus 3 0 0, 3 minus 1 0, and minus 9 minus 2 3. So it gives A inverse. Also you can divide minus 3 to all elements, or you can write as it is. Okay, both answer are right. Is it clear? Thank you. Okay, next question number 9. Find the inverse of 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1. So same as above. First of all we have to check determinant of given matrix is 0 or non-zero. Okay, so first of all we have to find out determinant of A. So now see, first determinant of A is equals to, we have to solve by taking any row or any column. Okay, already we have to discuss in last time. So we have to solve by taking first row. So 2 bracket minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 4 ones are 4 minus 0, and then third plus 3 bracket minus 4 twos are 8 minus 7. So minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 4 ones are minus 4, and 8 minus 7 will be 1. So 1 3s are 3. So minus 4 minus 2 will be minus 6, and minus 6 plus 3 will be minus 3. It does not equals to 0. Therefore A inverse must exist. Okay, so now we find cofactors of given matrix. So we have to find out cofactors. So first we have to find out capital A11. Okay, so we have to remove its respective row and column. So we have to remove first row and first column. So minus 1 ones are minus 1 plus 0, so it will be minus 1. And we have to also multiply the sign. So minus 1 raised to 2 will be plus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Now A12, so we have to remove first row second column. So 4 ones are 4 minus 0, so it will be 4. But minus 1 dash to 3 will be minus 1, so minus 4. Next see A13. Okay, A13 will be, so we have to remove first row third column. So 4 twos are 8 minus 7, so it will be 1. So minus 1 dash to 4 will be 1, and 1 into 1 will be 1. So A13 equal to is equals to 1. Now A21, so we have to remove second row first column. So 1 ones are 1, minus 3 twos are 6, so 1 minus 6 will be minus 5, and multiply with minus 1 raised to 3, so it will be minus 1. So answer is minus minus plus 5. So the value of A21 equal to 5. Next the value of A22. See, the value of A22 is, so we have to remove second row second column. So 2 ones are 2 minus plus 7 threes are 21. So 21 plus 2 23, and multiply with sign. So minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1. So no need to change the value. So answer is 23. Next we have to find A23. So we have to remove second row and third column. So 2 twos are 4 plus 7, so it will be 11. Okay, and also we have to multiply with minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 5. So minus 11 is the answer. Okay, next we have to find the value of A31. Okay, so A31 we have to remove third row and first column. So minus 1 raised to 4, and 1 zeros are 0 plus 3, so it will be 3. Next A32. Okay, next we have to find the value of A32. So we have to remove third row second column. So 2 zeros are 0 minus 4 threes are 12, it will be minus 12. But we have to multiply with minus 1 raised to 5, so it will be minus 1, and minus 1 into minus 12 will be 12. Okay, so the value of A32 will be plus 12, not minus 12. Okay, next and last we have to find out the value of A33. Okay, A33. So we have to remove third row third column. See, now see, we have to remove third row, third column. So 2 ones are minus 2, minus 4 ones are 4, so it will be minus 6, and multiply with A33 means it will be positive, so answer is minus 6. Okay, so see A33 is minus 6. Now we have to put the value of capital A11 to capital A33 in adjoint of A. Okay, so it gives minus 1, I will speak on row wise, minus 1 5 3, minus 4 23 12, 1 minus 11 minus 6. Now we have to use the formula of A inverse. Okay, so formula of A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now we have to put the value of determinant of A is minus 3. It is already way to find out in above. Okay, and put the value of adjoint of A is this minus 1 5 3, minus 4 23 12, and 1 minus 11 minus 6. So our final answer is 1 upon minus 3 into minus 1 5 3, minus 4 23 12, and 1 minus 11 minus 6. Okay, next question number 10. Same thing, we have to find out inverse of given matrix. So 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4. So first of all we have to find determinant of A. So determinant of A is equals to, we have to solve by taking first row. So 1 in bracket 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 1, because minus minus plus 1 we have to take sign as per the rule, plus minus plus. So here minus 1 in minus, so minus minus plus 1, so we have to write plus 1. So in bracket 4 zeros are 0 plus 9, and then last plus 2 in bracket 0 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 will be 2, 0 plus 9 9, and 0 minus 6 minus 6. So here 2 ones are 2, 9 ones are 9, and 2 6 are 12. So 9 plus 2 11 minus 12. So our answer is minus 1, does not equals to 0. Therefore A inverse must exists. Okay, now we find cofactors of given matrix. Now see, we have to find one by one. First we have to find out capital A11. So we have to remove respective row and column, means we have to remove first row, first column. So 2 4s are 8 minus 6 will be 2. So the value of A11 is 2. Now capital A12. So we have to remove first row, second column. So 4 zeros are 0 minus 9. 4 zeros are 0 minus 9. So it will be plus 9. And also we have to multiply with minus 1 raised to 3, because we have to find cofactors of A12. So 1 plus 2 3. So minus 1 raised to 3 will be minus 1. So minus 9 is the answer of capital A12. Next we have to find out capital A13. Now see here, capital A13. So minus 1 raised to 4, and we have to remove first row, third column. So minus 2 zeros are 0, and 3 2s are minus 6. So answer is minus 6. Now we have to find out capital A21. So we have to remove second row, first column. So minus 1 minus 4 minus minus plus 4. So it will be 0. So no need to write, no need to multiply any sign, because 0 into any number will be 0. So next A22. So we have to remove second row, second column. So 4 ones are 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. And also we have to multiply with A22. So A22 will be minus 1 raised to 4, and it will be positive. So our answer is minus 2. Next A23. So we have to remove second row, third column. So 1 2s are minus 2 plus 3 will be plus 1, and also we have to multiply by minus 1 into 1. So it will be minus 1. So A23 will be minus 1. Next A31. Okay, next we have to find the value of A31. So for A31 we have to remove third row, first column. So minus plus 3 minus 4 equal to, sorry, here plus 3, it will be minus 1, and multiply with minus 1 raised to 4 will be plus 1. So answer is minus 1. Next A32. For A32 we have to remove third row, second column. So minus 3, only minus 3, because 0 2s are 0. So minus 3 into minus 1 it will be 3 because we have to multiply minus 1 raised to 5 and minus 1 raised to 5 will be minus 1. So capital A32 will be plus 3. And last we have to find out capital A33. So we have to remove third row and third column. So it will be 2 ones are 2 minus 0. Okay, so 2 and multiply with 1. It will be 2 ones are 2. So our answer is 2. Is it clear? Now see, we have to put the value of all cofactors in adjoint of A. So it gives capital A11. I will speak on column wise. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is equals to 2 minus 9 minus 6, 0 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1 3 minus 1 3 2. Now we have to put the value of determinant of A and adjoint of A in A inverse. Okay, A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A is minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 will be minus 1. Okay, we can write minus 1. So simply we have to multiply minus sign. Okay, last. So 2 0 minus 1, minus 9 minus 2 3 and minus 6 minus 1 2. Now we have to multiply minus 1. So it gives minus 2 0 1. Simply we have to change the sign. Okay, 9 2 minus 3, 6 1 minus 2. So it gives inverse of given matrix. Okay, next question number 11. Find the inverse 1 0 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. So it's again very easy question. Simply we have to follow some steps. First we have to find out determinant of A. If determinant of A is non-zero, okay, then given matrix has inverse, otherwise we can't find inverse. Okay, so first we have to check determinant of A. Okay, so same thing, we have to find first determinant of A. So we have to solve by taking first row. So it will be 1 bracket minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So minus sign common and in bracket we can write cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, and the value of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha will be 1. Okay, it's identity. It's already we studied in standard 10. So our answer is minus 1 and it does not equals to 0. Therefore A inverse must exist. Okay, now we find cofactors of given matrix. So we have to find cofactors of all elements. Okay, so first we have to find out capital A11. So we have to remove first row, first column. So it will be minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So it will be minus 1. Is it clear? Next we have to find capital A12. So we have to remove first row, second column. So it will be 0 because 0 into cos alpha 0 and 0 into sin alpha 0. So it will be 0. No need to write. A13. So we have to remove first row, third column. Again answer is 0 because see here remaining elements is 0 cos alpha 0 sin alpha. The value of this determinant will be 0. So again A13 will be 0. Next we have to find cofactor of A21, capital A21. So we have to remove second row, first column. Again the value of 0 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha will be 0. So we can write 0. Next see we have to find capital A22. Now see here capital A22. So we have to remove second row and second column. Yes or no? So answer is minus cos alpha minus 0. So minus cos alpha. We have to multiply with A22, but the value of A22 will be positive. So answer is minus cos alpha. Next we have to find A23. Okay, A23. So we have to remove second row, third column. So answer is sin alpha into 0. So sin alpha, but minus 1 raised to 5 we have to multiply because A23, 2 plus 3 will be 5. So into sin alpha. So our answer is minus sin alpha. Is it clear? Now see we have to find capital A31. So we have to remove third row, first column. So answer is 0. It is very clear. Okay, because remaining elements is 0 0 cos alpha sin alpha and remaining elements determinant will be 0. So A31 will be 0. Next A32. So we have to remove third row, second column. So answer is sin alpha. See, now see sin alpha. But multiply with minus 1 raised to 5 again. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. So minus sin alpha. And lastly, we have to find a capital A, 3, 3. So we have to remove third row, third column. So the value of determinant is cos alpha. And minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1. So answer is cos alpha. Okay. Now simply we have to put the value of all cofactors in A adjoint of A. Is it clear? So adjoint of A is given by, I will speak on column wise. So A11, A12, A13, and it is denoted by capital letter. Okay. A22, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is equals to minus 1, 0, 0, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. So now we have to put the value of adjoint of A and determinant of A in A inverse. Okay. So A inverse is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 upon determinant of A is minus 1 because the value of determinant of A is minus 1. So 1 upon minus 1 will write minus 1. Into adjoint of A is minus 1, 0, 0, 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now simply we have to multiply minus sign. Okay, same as above. So our final answer is A inverse is equals to 1, 0, 0, 0 cos alpha sin alpha, 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha. Simply we have to multiply minus sign. So it gives inverse of A.